Hey y'all, this is Cory with Funtown RV of Amarillo, and today we're going to take a look at the 2025 Ember E-Series Model 21 FBE. This is a great couples camper, but before we get on to the inside, all the specifications will be down in the video description as well as right here on the screen so that you can check those out at any time. So let's go ahead and get on to the inside. Get away from some of this road noise. Check this out. I am a big fan of Ember RVs, and this is real similar to something like a 202 RBLE Surveyor Legend, but it's their own twist on it. So no private bedroom. You've got the big kitchen over here, which we'll come back to here in just a moment. Just kind of want to give you a quick 360, so to speak. Now, one of the neat things that they're doing here, so this is similar to a Rockwood 2109S, but the thing that I love about what Ember has got going on is these are full theater seating, not a jackknife sofa. I'm a huge fan of that. So you can actually kick back and relax and enjoy, you know, your camper rather than just sitting at a futon style sofa. Now, if we look at the roller shades here, these are going to be the nice blackout roller shades. Really do like that. You've got a household outlet here, no carpet as well, and then we're going to have some USB ports right there, and that is going to be USB-C and A. So, do really like that. If we look up top here real quick, this is going to have the 18,000 BTU Furrion Chill Cube air conditioner. Plus, we do have our Max Air vent fan. I love this because if you decide you want to go off grid and, you know, booney camp and you don't want to run the air conditioner, you still have a massive fan right there. You are going to have your controls for that here, thermostat for your chill cube, and then the furnace thing, or a thermostat. That's what I was trying to say. Super comfortable chairs too, and that's directly across from your entertainment center. So you have that 12-volt smart TV that'll control the interior and exterior speakers as well, and you have pretty decent window coverage. You've got these 3 windows right there as well. Now this is cool. Normally you don't get this in this particular camper. I love the fact that they've got the 2 bar stools here so you can sit down and actually have a place to eat. Now if we drop down here, you have an electrical outlet right there. And this TV is on a swing arm mount, as you can kind of see right there. Now, it is strapped in for transport. And since we're probably about to move this here again, I don't want to take those out. And then we are going to have some storage here. Did want to mention that. And you've got another matching cabinet over there as well. And household and USB outlets right there too. That is very handy. So if you need to do some work, you can easily do that. Let's take a look at some of the storage above the theater seats here. These are nice strut supporting hinges. Love that. Pocket screwed cabinetry. Ember is very well known for their cabinetry as well. And then also we have a little hanging closet here, or pantry that has a removable shelf on there as well. And then we have the same thing down here, just no hanging bar. 60 by 80 true queen bed. We are going to have some storage underneath that as well, as you can see right there. Now, of course, you can kind of see I've got the TV box in there for a sense of space. Right over here, we're going to have our inverter controls and another electrical outlet. Nice drawer there. That's a soft close drawer, as you can see too. Nice big hanging closets, as well as some pretty dang good storage up here too. Really do like that. Now, if we come back here, we are going to have some household and USB outlets right there. And we'll have the same thing on that side. So perfect spot for some of those smaller CPAP machines, things like that too. And we're gonna have the same kind of, what do I want to call that? Wardrobe. Plus, we are going to have like our power cord and some things. Another electrical outlet right there too. Now, let's move into the kitchen proper. Starting up top here, we have some really good cabinetry space up here, and this goes all the way through for the most part. Plenty of storage there. If we kind of bend down here, you can see that you do have that window there. 3 drawers. These are going to be the soft close variety as well. Well, maybe. There we go. Apparently, I'm just being a little too rough on them. Convection oven microwave. That is one thing that the E-Series does that the full Embers don't do, is you have the convection oven microwave. 2-burner stove top here. Plenty of room for those pots and pans handles. Nice big sink with the high-rise retractable faucet with the sprayer. And then we have plenty of room for a wastebasket there. And we're still not done with storage. So one of the things, actually before we get to that, we are going to have our control panel right here. And oh snap, I forgot they were doing this. Dimmable lighting, love that. Sliding awning controls, your tank monitoring panel, and some lighting and water pump controls there. And then back over here, we are going to have another big old pantry. Absolutely love that. It's a good space to do some of that stuff. And we have another household outlet right here. So plenty of outlets in this Ember E-Series 21 FBE. 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt DC compressor driven refrigerator. As you can see there, so you do have a really good space here. And then bathroom, I love what they've got going on here. So we have our pocket style privacy door, couple of towel hooks up there, and then we have our porcelain foot flush lever toilet. Let's go ahead and take a seat here, spinning this bad boy around. You can see I've got plenty of room. It's a little tight on this side, pretty good over here, and plenty of leg room. Also have our toilet paper holder tucked out of the way. And one of the things I forgot to mention too is you do have cabinet ducted heating. Towel bar right here. We're going to have our kind of open cubby linen cabinet there. I really do like that. Tankless on-demand water heater controls, electrical outlet, and then you have a whole slew of lighting controls. More storage here. And then we have our mirror, plus some more storage behind there. Now, up top here, we have our rainproof vent fan. And then this little guy right here, that is a perfect little night light that you can leave on. Plus, I really like the backlit cabinet space here. Nice big sink, and then we have our beautiful, good storage there as well. Stepping up into the shower area, we are going to have our retractable shower curtain. Flipping this bad boy around, I'm 6'2" for height reference. I have probably 4 to 5 inches of head height before the skylight. I've got plenty of headroom and plenty of width and depth in this 30 by 36 inch shower. Plus you have the larger corner shelves there. I like where they put those, so you kind of have, it's over here by this. And then if you do need a little bit of help getting in and out of there, they do give you the handle. Just little things like that are really handy. So let me know, guys, what do we think about the Ember E-Series 21 FBE? I am a huge fan of it. Oh, I know what I was going to say. The reason you get the head height here is this is actually a 6'10" as far as interior height. So it's an odd size, but you still get plenty of headroom. So if you're a taller fella or lady, you might want to consider the E-Series just for that. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the interior. Let me know what you think, and let's go check out the outside. All right, guys, we're on the outside of this Ember E-Series 21 FBE. So this is a fiberglass unit with Azdel sidewalls, giving you that peace of mind that you're not going to have any delamination issues. Power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, and then you got your spot for your batteries right there. Spare tire area. And then right here, you got your big old pass-through storage. These are going to come with the Lippert on-the-go ladder. Side marker camera prep, slam latches on your baggage doors here. And then we have our quick drop stabilizer jacks. Fully enclosed and forced air heated underbelly as well. And you can see you've got the torsion axles on, or I'm sorry, is that the torsion axles? No, these are traditional leaf sprung axles. I'm thinking of the Touring Edition. We are going to have our furnace right here, little bit of power, love that. And then these are going to have the never adjust easy lube axles. Right here, this is going to be a little quick connect for outside water. Nice big power awning. This power awning is almost as long as the whole trailer, so I really do like that. We've got our larger entry assist handle, triple step Lippert solid steps. And then back here, we're gonna have our instant hot tankless water heater, 30 amp service, little accessory hitch right there to put like a bike rack or something on. And then back over here, we are gonna have our dumps and our other stabilizer jack controls. So love that. This right here is gonna be our docking center. So what's cool about this is everything is right here. Black tank flush, city water, fresh water, all that good stuff right in there. You can see that we do have the slide out. It is prepped for the Solaris slide awning toppers. And this is going to be a cable driven slide out as well. Right back over here, we are gonna have some more storage and our battery disconnect, TPMS, solar charge controller, inverter, all that good stuff right there. And we've got, again, slam latches. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the 2025 Ember E-Series 21 FBE. If you're interested in this trailer, you can find pricing and availability down below. And let me know any questions you may have. And this is going to wrap it up for another RVing with Cory YouTube video. And we'll see you on the next one.